My name is Kendall Ross, and I'm the Associate Vice Chancellor of Economic and Workforce Development for the University of Arkansas Fort Smith, and this is my manufacturing story. So I went to school at the University of Oklahoma and went to school for mechanical engineering and went to work at Rheem Manufacturing. I designed air conditioners for 11 or 12 years, and after 5 or 6 years, it became pretty obvious that my people skills were much better than my engineering skills, and so the Peter principle applied, and I moved into management. And when I moved into management, I was way over my skis. And so Rheem was fantastic in providing a mentor for me that shaped me to be a good manager and to be a good leader. And so I began to learn things like the people are not your greatest asset, the right people are your greatest asset. And so I began to focus on people and help people take the next step. And so I've always believed that if I can help my team become the best they can be, that's going to be beneficial for me. And again, it's about the right people. It's about investing in the right people. And so when I came to the University of Arkansas Fort Smith, I took my skills that I had developed through not only engineering, but through the leadership and management training that I'd received, and I began to invest that in people. The great thing is I've been in the right place at the right time when things needed to be changed, and I'm certainly a push for change management. I love to see things change, and I'm a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, so in other words, I focus on how can I create more efficiency in everything that we do. And so that's kind of how I am where I am today, is because I'm always looking for how can we make things better? How can we change?